Hello everyone. Today we are going to see the electrical equipment that is required for a home. This is the switchgear panel which consists of MCBs and RCBs. Whenever there is a high fluctuation in voltage, these switches will trip so that it can guard your equipment like TVs, refrigerators and valuable electrical equipment. The circuit breakers are Legrand brand. This is actually a good brand compared to other available brands in the market, and the panel is also very beautiful. The switches are belong to Ellis company. As you can see, there are three kinds of switches. One is plain, another one is like two-way switches. There you can see two arrow marks, and the other one is 20 amps, which we can use for high power consuming equipments like refrigerator and geyser. The glass panel and the switches looks very beautiful. The fan belongs to Havells company. The model is Orlis. The cost of this fan is around 18,000 rupees. It has a remote. The fan consists of 5 blades which are made of wood, and also you can fit 5 small bulbs in this fan. This fan also belongs to Havells company. It costed around 6,000 rupees. This fan also belongs to Havells brand. It costed around 5,500 rupees. This one at kitchen area looks very beautiful. Actually, this is a single light which can illuminate in 3 colors, just with the on and off of switch buttons. We can see here. glass which is set inside the false ceiling. On top of that we have tube lights. If you can turn on those tube lights, it will be seen in this color.